they can't really stop us. But the coronavirus thing, COVID-19, you know, everything going nuts. And because of that, you know, there's not many places in Kentucky I intended to travel. And so this COVID-19 thing may impact my travel plans. And so instead of traveling this year, I may end up renting out this travel trailer. I'm going to pick up another travel trailer tomorrow. Let me set this thing up here where I can kind of brace and hold it, because I can tell my shaking hand is quivering the camera. But going to pick up another travel trailer tomorrow. I plan to use it just for storage. And I've got a RV bus over there. That's a diesel bus. I don't know how well you can see it, but I'm not going to be using that thing. That's too big. The places I want to go, I'm afraid I'd end up in some place where I couldn't get turned around. So the diesel bus is going to be sold. But anyway, I've got that bus converted to RV. I've got this travel trailer, and I'm going to have another travel trailer tomorrow. And if enough people around here end up homeless, I may end up renting them all out for people to stay in, kind of as emergency homes. But anyway, I'm going to shut this off now, and we'll be back on later when I get something else done.